I just got myself some new luggage and we are going to check it out for the very first time together. I am obsessed with this color. This here is a 3-piece set and everything is inside. So we're gonna take a look at those. But before we do that, let's check some of these out. So first of all, the wheels, we have those beautiful 360 wheels, which are definitely my favorite. So you will have no issues running through the airport with those. They're not going to get stuck. You have these really great, this really great lock right here. I like the way that works. Instead of having to get a lock, they just kind of pop into here and then you just take that out and then those open, which is super nice. You've got a really great handle right here. It is expandable. So when you grab that, a lot of people don't know, like, you know, why you have that. And it's just because if your suitcase is really heavy and then having it being able to expand like that, it is not going to put so much pressure on there. So it's not as prone to breaking off, which is obviously key. And then you've got one of those up here at the top as well. And of course we have that great handle right here. So for you to be pulling that through the airport. And then over here on this side, we've got the bumpers right here. So of course it's going to kind of help protect that a little bit so it doesn't get smashed around. And then you may or may not have noticed this zipper right here. So this opens up and this actually will let you expand. So because if you're anything like me and you go on vacation and then you end up buying a ton of stuff and then you need to expand that suitcase. So let's go ahead and open this up and check out the two other pieces and of course the inside of this one. Zippers on here, really nice, high quality. They just kind of zip around really nice. They've got the nice double stitching, so it does not look like it is cheaply made, which of course is important in a zipper. So let's take these ones out. Let's look in the inside for a second. One of the things I do love to check just to see now that everything's out, and this right here is not super heavy. It is a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be, but not too bad because obviously you've got that shell. I personally like these suitcases the best because you've got that hard shell, but then the inside is not extremely heavy. This one actually looks like super nice and deep, which is something I am loving. And of course you've got this great zipper here on this side, so you can keep everything zipped in here. You've got this zipper up here in the front, and then over here on this side, ooh, I like these. So then you've got this like elastic here to kind of keep everything strapped in. So this is super nice inside. I'm definitely a fan. You got tons of space. So this is the large suitcase. And then the next one's going to be the medium size. And then I'm assuming we're going to get the carry-on because I don't actually remember what we got here. And of course, they are all going to be matchy-matchy, which is something we love. So at quick glance, everything seems to be the same. So you've got this really great handle here as well. You do have the TSA-approved locks as well. You, of course, got your handle, another handle here. And do we have the bumper guards? We definitely do on this side. So that is nice. Same, do we have the, so this one does not have the extension. So just something to keep in mind. Usually they don't on these smaller ones. It's usually those big boys that we overpack. All right, let's open this one up. Oh, I don't want to get anything stuck inside here. Okay, don't worry, there was nothing wrong with the zipper. It just got caught on the plastic here and I didn't want to end up ruining it. So, but otherwise we are all good. So inside here, of course, looks similar to the big one. And again, I'm really surprised at how spacious these ones are. It just looks a lot bigger than your normal medium size. The same thing as this large one here. It just looks really big, lots of room, which I am, of course, a huge fan of. But then, of course, you have to make sure you don't overpack because of the weight. But yeah, so same thing. Looks the same. You got the great zipper here, and then you've got the elastic here on this side. So looking good. And then let's go ahead and check out the very last one here. This, of course, is our beautiful carry-on. Again, still absolutely obsessed with this color. It is so pretty. Ooh, and the carry-on actually has the bumper right here. A lot of times these ones don't have that, so that's super nice. And also a lot of the carry-ons sometimes don't have the built-in lock as well. So the fact that it has that is super nice. Let's go ahead and open this up and see. And there we go. So they all look the same inside, and again, quite spacious. So you got lots of room, obviously, depending on how long you're going for will depend on which one of these suitcases you bring with you. But the fact that you get 3, obviously you are going to have enough luggage for all your travels.